I am Queen Siobhan Marie, and this is my awesome daughter, Queen Imani. And we are Black Journeyz. We are here today to African dance, to also bring forth some music meditation. We have a lot of things going on in the world, and we want to use the elements of nature as well as focusing on Juneteenth to help us heal, gain liberation, so that we all can have true unity, which is exactly what this awesome holiday of freedom is about. So Imani, in order for us to do our part, don't you think we have to have all the elements of nature? Awesome. So Imani, what is this that has all these singing bowls and these beautiful crystals, plant, water, feathers, sage? What is this called? What'd you say?
An altar.
Good job. And what is an altar, Imani?
An altar is you have all your sacred things on it and you meditate.
Yes. And we use all these sacred things to help us meditate and to have spirituality and to gain our true selves, to help us get back into our roots, right? So, Imani, we have all the elements of nature, which is what? Fire. We also have to have what? Water. Water. Good job. We also have to have what? Earth. Earth, yes, which is the soil and the plants. And we also have to have, what else, Imani?
Air.
Huh? What'd you say?
Air.
Air. So we have the 4 elements of nature. Imani, can you sing the song, The 4 Elements of Nature? Let's sing it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
The 4 elements of nature.
The 4 elements of nature.
Air, air, air. Water, water, water. Fire, fire, fire. Earth, earth, earth.
The 4 elements of nature. The 4 elements of nature are
air, air, air. Water, water, water. Fire, fire, fire. Earth, earth, earth.
the 4 elements of nature. The 4 elements of nature. The 4 elements of nature. Beautiful. Awesome. Thank you for teaching us the 4 elements of nature. And we can't have our altar, our temple, without what?
The 4 elements of nature.
And one last time, they are what?
The 4 elements of nature.
Air,
Air, air. Water, water, water. Fire, fire, fire. Earth, earth, earth.
Good job. Awesome, Rue. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.